Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to back up and restore files with Wondershare UBackit. In part 1, I will show you how to back up files automatically. First, go to Backup and Restore option from the sidebar and click on the Create New button. To locate the files, you can select the disk where they are stored, or you can select from the desktop, document, download, music, and picture folders. To locate the files more efficiently, you can input the file name or file format in the search bar. You can also filter program, document, photo, audio, or video through the funnel. Choose your target files. If you want to back up your files automatically, click on Set Auto Backup. Then click on the calendar icon. From the pull-down list, you can choose to back up daily, weekly, monthly, or even non-stop. Surely you can back up without schedule. Click on Select to go ahead. You can choose your preferred backup destination. It can be internal or external hard drive, flash drive, and the like. After that, Choose Backup to proceed the backup process. That is it. If you do not set an automatic backup in the backup process, you can also trigger it by pressing the Settings button. When you set an automatic backup, UBackit will back up the files incrementally to save the storage space. In this case, you can also easily restore the previous backup version. Let's go to how to restore your backup files. Confirm the backup copy that needs a restoration and click the Restore button. Select the History Backup version, then click Next. A window will pop up reminding the restoration destination. You can choose to change default path. Click on OK to proceed the restoration process. When it finishes, the file will pop up. Thanks for watching.